Hi guys, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel. So you guys know the drill. If you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like my content, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. So today I'm going to be filming one of the biggest challenging videos of my life. Like, I'm going to be doing lip swatches. So if you guys have been watching YouTube videos, you'll know how difficult it is to do lip swatches. Like, लिपस्टिक लगाओ, उसको उठाओ, फिर से लगाओ. So it's like gonna be a huge task for me. And if you guys like this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, क्योंकि बहुत सारा effort लगा है इस वीडियो को फिल्मिंग करने में. So please show some love. So today I'm going to be swatching the Lakme Absolutes Matte Liquid Lip Color. So I have 8 of those shades with me, and I'll be swatching each one of those, and also I'll include the timestamps at which I'll start the swatches, before which I'll do like a mini review. So well, this is what the lipstick looks like. It is a very basic plastic sort of a packaging, but also the best thing I like about this packaging is it's color coded, so it's not going to be a problem when you're rushing out and you just need to get your lipstick. And this is something which I absolutely love. Also, iske niche the shade is given. It's like this one is in the shade Nude Hit and it's number 14. Also, I really like the consistency. It's not very moussey, and at the same time it's not very drying on your lips. Now I have used like a lot of liquid lip colors. In fact, at present I don't use like the bullet lipstick. I mainly use liquid lipsticks. So a lot of them are there which are very drying on your lips, which are like you need to apply a thick layer of lip balm. But this one is not like that. In fact, you can just apply very basic lip balm and it's not gonna dry up your lips. Also, it is not very moussey like the Lakme's 9 to 5 liquid lipstick. If you have used that one, this is a very nice liquid watery consistency. And also it comes with a doe foot applicator. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is the applicator. It's like a very basic doe foot applicator. Like this is like a very common applicator which you'll find in liquid lipsticks nowadays. For this particular range of liquid lipsticks, they are very nice. They're long lasting, which is something which I absolutely love. Now they're not completely smudge or transfer proof. Like, they do transfer to my mask, which is I guess a little bit annoying for me, but I guess overall I really like the quality. Also, they are long lasting, but they do not last over heavy meals. They can kind of, they'll last over like a glass of water or something, but they'll not last over heavy meals. Like the soft matte sort of a look which this one gives. It's not completely matte and not completely drying on your lips. It's like a very nice velvety matte sort of a finish, and it does take like somewhere between 10 to 15 seconds to kind of dry out. So before that, if you kind of rub your lips, it's gonna come off. So just give somewhere between 15 to 20 seconds and it's gonna dry up and it's gonna look so nice. Also, they have like a wide range of shades, except like few of the shades which kind of make me look very washed up. I really love almost all the other shades, and they're like very good for the Indian skin tones. They have like a wide range of shades, and they're like nice darks and browns and all of that. Also, I have a giveaway at the end of the video, and I'll give you guys like a hint. It is going to be a face shops giveaway, so don't forget to stay tuned in the end to know about the giveaway. Yeah guys, now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. today's giveaway, I will be giving away this face shop kit, and this face shop kit contains the face shop's rice water foaming cleanser and the face shop's white seed brightening discovery kit. So this is what the kit has, and I'm going to be giving away this kit to 3 of you guys. So there's going to be 3 winners this time. Also, the complete detail of the giveaway will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check out the description box. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. If you guys like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up.